Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how I prepare this Palak Kichadi. This is a very healthy and nutritious recipe. Do try it. I have listed out all the ingredients in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. Now for this recipe I'll be using Jeera rice, equal portions of Jeera rice and split mung beans, that is Moong dal, and I'll also be using turmeric powder. Here I've chopped and reserved onion, tomato, slit green chilies, garlic, finely chopped garlic, whole spices, palak and asafetida. Palak is spinach. So now here you can see I'm going to split the onion and tomato in half for the masala and for the khichdi. And also the spices. I'll split the whole spices for the khichdi and for the masala. Now I've heated a pan on low to medium flame. I've added a tablespoon of oil. Once the oil has reached temperature, I've added cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, chopped chilies, garlic. We'll allow this to splutter a bit, and then we'll add the onion and tomato, half the amount of onion and tomato, and fry it. This is for the masala. I'm preparing the masala paste. I'll also be using ginger and garlic paste in this recipe. Now here you can see I'll be frying the onion and tomato till it softens a bit. This is for the palak gravy that I'm preparing. So once the onion and tomato has softened a bit, I'll top it with the palak and allow it to fry. So the palak, the spinach, you have to rinse it in water for at least 2 to 3 times and then use it. Now the palak or the spinach that I've rinsed it 2 to 3 times, then allowed it to drain in a colander, and now I will be using it in this masala. Once I've added the spinach, don't stir it because it's difficult to stir. Just place a cover and allow it to cook. After 5 to 10 minutes, your palak would have cooked and wilted down. You can stir it at this point and you can cook it further. And once the palak has cooked all the way through, remove it from the flame and allow it to cool down completely. Then transfer it to a mixer jar and you grind this into a smooth paste. There is no worries if there is a little amount of moisture in this. You just have to grind this into a smooth paste and reserve it. Now we'll start preparing the khichdi. I've heated a pressure cooker on medium flame, and once the pressure cooker has reached temperature, I've added ghee and oil to it. And once the ghee and oil has reached temperature, I'll start adding the spices. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog I posted a detailed recipe. Now once the oil and ghee has heated well, I'll start adding the other half of the spices, that is star anise, cloves, cinnamon, cardamom. So once I've added all the spices, I will allow this to splatter. And I've also added finely chopped garlic. We need to fry the garlic. The garlic enhances the flavor and taste in this recipe. Now while the onion and tomato is frying for the khichdi, I've ground my palak. I simultaneously ground the palak into a smooth puree and I've reserved it. Now I've also added curry leaves while I'm frying the onion and tomato. That is up to you. You can use curry leaves or leave it out. And I've also added slit green chilies. Now I'll fry the onion and tomato till the onions turn transparent. Now here you can see once the onion has turned transparent, I've added ginger and garlic paste. We need to fry the ginger and garlic paste till the raw flavor reduces. All the prep steps and all the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, will be listed in my blog. The blog link will be posted in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. Also like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, friends. All my other social media handlings will also be listed in the description box below this video. Now here you can see, friends, once the onion has fried well, I just washed the rice and dal and I've added the rice and dal to the masala. I've also measured and added warm water. I've not used cold water at this point. This is warm water. And I've also added turmeric powder. Add asafetida, stir it once, check for salt and add salt as per taste. Just place the cooker lid and the whistle and cook it on high flame for 3 whistles. For my pressure cooker, it took 3 whistles. It might take 4 or 5 whistles depending on the pressure cooker and how you're using it. So here for this particular recipe, I'm using this ultra pressure cooker. It took 3 whistles for me to cook this. So I placed it on high flame and I've cooked it for 3 whistles. Now once the dal and rice has cooked well, you can serve it as it is. It's very nice and tasty as it is. But I'm going to be adding the palak puree, and I'll also add warm water to the palak puree. I'll dilute it and add it back to the khichdi. Stir it once on very low flame. I'm going to cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes. And my palak khichdi is done. It was very nice and very tasty. I highly recommend it. Do try it. If you're preparing it with jeera rice and basmati rice, the flavor and taste of this khichdi is different. It's very nice. It's not like our regular South Indian khichdi that we prepare on a regular basis. So it's very nice. I have not used jeera in this recipe, friends, because I have added jeera rice. So that flavor from the jeera rice itself is more than enough. I don't want to overpower it. So this was very nice. It turned out so good. All the links to my blog, social media will be listed in the description box below this video, friends, along with all the ingredients used in this recipe. Do try this recipe, and if you enjoyed it, post your comments. Here you can see I cooked the khichdi for another 2 to 3 minutes and I served it as hot as possible. Topped it with some ghee. It was really yum. Hope you all enjoyed this video, friends. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.